Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make gel nails at home. Quick disclaimer, I am not a nail technician. I'm not professional. I'm just someone who's looking for doing nails at home for cheap. It works with me and I thought I would share with you. I'm going to show you how I transform these nails from this to that. And I'm going to link down below all the things you need to buy in order to reach this. Very first thing I start with is I use the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. I put it over my cuticles, wait a little bit, and then I push my cuticles. I advise you to only reach the stage of pushing your cuticles and not cutting them out, as that's really wrong. Just scrape them. However, if you have any hanging bits that are very long or annoying, instead of plucking them with your own, like biting into them and stuff like that, just cut them out. Once that's done, I pick usually the nails in the sizes that fit each nail. Those are like nail tips. You could get them from Amazon or your local drugstore or anything like that. Afterwards, I use the buffer and I gently buff a layer of my nail to get it a little bit rough for the glue to stick better. Afterwards, go on and put the glue on the nail, then very firmly press it on your nail. Once you do this to all the nails, voila, you have it all on. It's very hard to move my hands, but yeah, fine. Check on Pinterest the nail shape and length you would like the most and try to follow it. I usually help myself by cutting those tips to almost the length I want, but a little bit longer. Then I cut them out to help me with the shape. I'm not good at shaping my nails. I'm gonna link down below a video that shows you all the types of nail shapes that could help you shape your nail. But yeah, very unprepared. I'm just sharing. Once I've cut it out, I just go on filing to get the shape and length that I'm comfortable with. And I advise you to follow one that suits your work area or where you actually like live. This is like pretty short, I know, but it's what I am comfortable with. Afterwards, I go on and I spray it with some spraying alcohol to make sure I dehydrate the nail completely. Then I apply gel primer to the natural nail areas that are showing from the tips. Afterwards, I take my 3-in-1 medium viscosity gel builder. I got this from Amazon and I got it in the pink color. I first apply a very thin layer. I make sure for it not to be touching my skin all around the cuticle area, and it already self-leveler, so it spreads around. Afterwards, I put it to cure for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Follow the instructions on your gel, and that's basically how it looks like. And that's a pretty thin layer eventually. Afterwards, remove with acetone the sticky layer that forms on top of that. Afterwards, I go on and I file this first layer to make it smooth and shape it correctly. I'm going to also provide you with a video that shows you how to shape it correctly. Afterwards, again, use acetone, dehydrate it, and remove all the residue from filing. Then I go on, repeat the whole process once again with gel, and I cure it. After doing that, I usually put on regular nail polish and on top and regular like top coat. Sometimes I feel fancy and I put like a gel top coat, but for me that's too much work. I use regular nail polish to be able to change it every now and then. Yeah. And that's it, you guys. I hope you liked that video. I hope it benefits you by any means. But my major concern was to always wanting to keep my nails looking good for cheap and not pay a lot of money in the salon, because that costs a lot. Here, in order to make it at home, it will only cost you the first time to buy the stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!